Almonds are rich in several nutrients including fiber and healthy fats. Why soaked almonds are better? Almonds have a tough, hard texture that can make them difficult to digest. However, soaking softens them, potentially making them easier for your body to break down. Soaking may make almonds easier to chew, increasing nutrient availability. Here's a simple way to soak them overnight. Soak a handful of almonds in half a cup of water. Cover them and allow them to soak for 8 hours. Drain and rinse. If you choose, you can remove the skins for a smoother texture. The soaked nuts can be eaten immediately. Studies have shown that almonds can boost health in a number of ways. Packed full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats, adding this superfood to your morning ritual can do wonders for your health. Here's what happens to your body if you eat these delicious nuts on an empty stomach every morning. Number 1. Boosts brain function. Almonds are high in vitamin E that has been shown to promote alertness, preserve memory longer, and prevent cognitive decline. Hence, almonds are often considered brain food. Additionally, getting healthy levels of vitamin E has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. So, ensuring that you get your daily dose of this fat-soluble antioxidant can keep your brain sharp as well as provide numerous health benefits. Number 2. Good for skin. If you want to get healthy skin, then consuming a handful of soaked almonds can do the job. The antioxidants in almonds, particularly vitamin E, can help reduce the signs of aging and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, giving you that radiant, blemish-free, glowing skin. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol. Research suggests that eating a handful of almonds each day can reduce LDL or bad cholesterol while maintaining HDL or good cholesterol. Almonds contain high levels of unsaturated fat. This type of fat does not raise the risk of LDL linked to heart disease. What's more, the magnesium content in almonds can help control blood pressure. Number 4. Improves blood sugar levels. Almonds also contain high amounts of magnesium, a mineral that many people, especially those with type 2 diabetes, don't get enough of it. Magnesium is important for managing blood sugar levels besides other bodily processes. Number 5. Aids weight loss. Almonds are low in carbs but high in protein and fiber, the two nutrients that increase feelings of fullness, thereby reducing your overall calorie intake. Hence, taking a few pieces of soaked almonds on a regular basis every morning may help you lose weight effectively.